In today's rapidly evolving job market, continuous learning and upskilling have become essential for career advancement. Working professionals in Uganda are increasingly turning to online courses to enhance their skills and stay competitive. Afiki is at the forefront of this educational revolution, offering innovative online learning solutions tailored to meet the needs of professionals eager to upskill, especially in the field of artificial intelligence, AI. The modern professional landscape is characterized by constant change and technological advancement. For working professionals, especially those in Uganda, the need to keep up with industry trends and acquire new skills is more critical than ever. Online courses provide a flexible and accessible means to achieve this. These courses offer the convenience of learning at one's own pace, making it possible to balance work, family, and education. With the right online courses, professionals can acquire new skills, enhance their career prospects, and even pivot to new industries. Afiki stands out as a premier platform for online learning, dedicated to transforming the educational experience for working professionals in Uganda. Our mission is to bridge the gap between academic theory and real-world applications, providing learners with the practical skills they need to excel in today's job market. At Afiki, we understand the unique challenges faced by working professionals. Many are juggling demanding jobs, family responsibilities, and personal commitments. That's why our courses are designed to be flexible, engaging, and relevant. Whether you're looking to advance in your current field or explore new opportunities, Afiki has the resources to help you achieve your goals. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is reshaping industries and creating new opportunities for innovation. Professionals equipped with AI skills are in high demand, and Afiki is committed to providing top-tier AI training through our online courses. Afiki's platform is designed with the professional learner in mind, offering a host of features that make online learning effective and enjoyable. Key features of Afiki's platform include personalized learning plans. Our AI-driven platform analyzes individual learning styles to create customized study plans tailored to each student's needs and preferences. Interactive learning tools. We offer a variety of interactive tools, including virtual labs and real-world project simulations, to make learning engaging and hands-on. Comprehensive course library. Our diverse range of courses, designed by industry experts and educators, are regularly updated to stay aligned with current trends and demands. Accredited certifications. Students receive accredited certificates upon course completion, enhancing their employability and professional credibility. Community and support. Afiki fosters a supportive learning community where students can interact, collaborate, and seek guidance from mentors and peers. Technology is a key driver of change in today's world, and AI is at the forefront of this transformation. Afiki's courses are designed to help professionals integrate AI into their skill set, making them more competitive in the job market. Investing in AI education can significantly enhance career prospects. At Afiki, we provide courses that equip professionals with the necessary skills to leverage AI for career growth. We recognize that working professionals have demanding schedules. Afiki's flexible learning options ensure that everyone can access quality education without disrupting their daily lives. Afiki goes beyond traditional online education by offering a comprehensive and supportive learning environment. Our focus on practical skills, interactive tools, and personalized learning plans ensures that our students are well equipped to meet the demands of the modern job market. From personalized learning with tailored study plans that fit individual learning styles, to hands-on training with real-world applications, accredited certifications that enhance professional credibility, a supportive community of peers and mentors, and flexibility in learning options that fit into your busy schedule. Afiki has it all. If you're ready to take the next step in your professional development, Afiki is here to help. Our dedicated team is available to answer any questions and guide you through our course offerings. You can reach us via email at afiki@open-ai.info or by phone at +2567658611982. Visit our website at www.educate-africa.com. Join Afiki today and start your journey towards a brighter, more successful future. With our innovative online courses and commitment to quality education, you'll gain the skills and confidence needed to excel in your career.